Kalong ke ege ke basusi badru ke bala penjab burom ya ka jala meglia hi bar kawai ka badai ka jala ka bala bananam ba hakaliang ki kam jungok kai perthei hakaba nin ke janmien hakapor nyusteng hadu prabaji e ladon saungut ki kinthei samla ki badai na kanong ba godi asam ki badairu kinong jungok kai perthei Torres ki lasha thombor ki katto kanengut kirunar ki bomla ban itu dorkmat kani ka jingja kalaja ya kitei ki saungut ki kinthei samla ki bom kwa ban penpau kerteng hakapor bakilawan pai na lailum shilong hadin bakilawan kai sakani ka jala henrei ka bala susipan kalaja baladon katto kanengut kirunar ki bala thombor ki hakawei na kajaka ha national highway haswa bakin poi ha sor Nongpoh.
That part of time it was only 7:30 something. In the national highway, we are not safe. I can say only this. Since police was nearby, but no one came and thousands of cars were passing around. At least someone would have stopped and asked what happened. Then those victims, those culprits would not have got that much courage to do such things. And it was like we got a shock of our life. Then somehow we escaped from there and we came to Guwahati, and now we are lodging an FIR in Jorabad police station, and we'll hope like police will cooperate and help us to catch these culprits who are there. The only one thing I want to say, like we are giving the complaint. I want people to be aware because anything might happen to anyone. We can't say. So thousands of cars are passing by. At least they could have stopped and asked what happened. They didn't even bother to look. We are dying or we are molested or whatever it was. And those boys were like, they were fully drunk and they carry knife and all with them.
Kat kum gajing itu jangkawe ke samla laong bakilai don sangut si perlong ki balaiwan kai syane ka jalla syakasnong lailum badde hakapor nyusteng hadu prabaji e janmiet bakilai don hakalanti banwan paino syalakasnong kilamat pat yakani gajingja ka basusi bat ka bala penher serniuru yaki borok sangut kalai turu de haswa ban poi hasor Nongpoh bakila syakang lanti hakawe ka maruti 800 rongli ka bala don sangut kisenrang breu kila kangti yaki bat thumuru ban thombor yaki mat kumjuru ya kali jongki kita ki sangut kironar kilatan yaki badru man sedang maktakti yaki klem kono kadau hadin bakilai kunting kilayo pat ban phet no dakasai nakti jong kita kironar bat halor kani ki jingja kini ki sangut ki samla kila ujor dakai jahar ha jorbat police outpost lai thuru bakini ki sangut kemsem la itu ya kita kironar nrai kila shu i liang yau number plate jong kati ka kali kabadon ML04C Henry kemsem la yolat pat ban page load yote number plate namar ke jingting ke jongki.
What happened? We came from Shillong, like 4 of my friends, total we are 4. We went to Lecham and coming back time, it was just before reaching Nongpoh. It was almost Nongpoh, and suddenly a car from behind, they started blowing the horn. Then we thought maybe they wanted to go in front of us. So we slow our car and let them go. Again what happened? They slowed their car. I thought again what happened? We don't know. So we overtook them and went. Like that it happened for a few minutes. Then at the end, suddenly from behind, they came rushing and like the cinemas, like they put the car in middle, in a zigzag way they came and they put so that we can't go forward. And they stopped the car in such a way that there was no place. They just put it in middle of the road. They tried to bang the glasses. They wanted to break the glass and door, and they threatened us that if you don't do what we are telling you, then no one will be spared. So we got fighting. Like it was like we just need to leave and we just need to stay alive. And that time only, by like it was the presence of her mind that she just started the car and it drove away full speed. And I saw the registration number. It was just ML04C series. Number I didn't remember because that time I was not in a state to remember the number. So what we did, like we waited, like why they are coming like that. Then those boys came in force and they just opened the driver's seat. And my sister was driving the car. And they tried to pull her hair. Then they punched in the head and face, and then they tried to hold her by the neck. Then when the person did that, I hold his hand, I caught his hand and I just pull it away. And when I did that, the other fellow, his friends, they came running and they tried to pull her out from the car. Means they wanted to do something bad, and they got knife and all with them. And it was like 4 of them. And when we are trying, like we are asking what happened in Hindi, we tried to ask what happened. Then they were like, why you